What is up, YouTube? Isaiah here, back for another video. You guys enjoyed the awesome video I did a while back, so I figured I'd do another one. One of the big things when it comes to gutter whitening is you want to set customer expectations, under promise, over deliver, and also understand that all gutters aren't gonna come clean the same way. So some gutters, you want to be careful with using any of these products, whether it's LA's Awesome, Clean Start BC, Gutter Butter, Gutter Zap, Gutter Grenade, whatever these products are. Some of them can, all of them, if used incorrectly or used on gutters that are too, the paint's almost gone, it can strip the paint right off. So one little tip there is keep a can of primer, because sometimes you might have to do a spot touch, but also kind of evaluate, figure out how old the gutters are before you attempt, or just do a demo section in a, more of an inconspicuous area if possible. If not, then sometimes you might not want to touch them at all, because then you're left with the headache of having to possibly repaint them or such, or something like that. So I'm gonna show you guys the gutters we have right now, see if they're gonna come clean or not. They're pretty bad, so who knows. All right guys, so here are the gutters we are cleaning. So not in the best shape at all, but we'll see what we can do. All right guys, so as mentioned, we have those different products, Clean Start BC, LA's Awesome, and all these products, they all work good, but they come in different price ranges. And I would say the most accessible and most affordable chemical out of all those would be LA's Awesome. Now the question you guys were asking in the last video is, which strength do I use it at and stuff like that, how do you apply it, whatever. So in the bucket right here, I have probably about either a gallon or a half a gallon of LA's Awesome, and I just diluted about 50%. You can try it from there, play around with it. Sometimes you have to go stronger depending on how bad the gutters are. And then we're gonna brush it onto the gutters, let it sit for a few seconds, and then we're going to brush it again and then rinse it off. We don't want to let it sit on too long, because the longer it sits, the more likely you are to strip the paint. All right guys, so be sure to get you a nice extension brush or extension pole with a brush attachment. Now what we're gonna do is apply it on. You guys can already see, get up closer. You guys can already see, as soon as I apply it on, it's already starting to loosen it up. So let it sit for about 30 seconds or so. Re-dip your brush. Then come across it again. Time to give it a rinse, guys. So obviously, as you can see, we can make a little bit of improvement, but I mean, the difference is quite impressive. I mean, from where we came from, this looks 10 times better. Obviously, this is the difference between, doing a decent job for a customer and then the wow factor. And this is the wow factor. Now, some of you guys ask, do you include this or do you upsell it? It can go either way. You can upsell it a lot of times, because this is more of a specialty service. I call it like, if you take your car to the car wash, you're gonna get your dirt off and stuff. But if the paint needs to be like waxed or something like that, that's an additional cost, additional service upsell. So either you can include this in your price for the house wash, which I would probably recommend, because to me, I don't feel good looking at my work if I know I can get it better. So I'd rather include the full price of doing gutter whitening, washing the house, all those things for a complete job, versus saying, okay, here's just the house wash, we can get the gutters looking better. Because for me, I'm gonna walk away looking like, well, I know those gutters can become cleaner. And if the customer doesn't want to purchase the upsell, and this is like, I feel like I left an incomplete product. So that's a little tip for you guys. Try all those different chemicals out. LA's Awesome, like I said, is the cheapest. You can get it from Home Depot, Lowe's, I think Walmart, Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, pretty much almost everywhere you can get that product. So it's very accessible and it works great. Just make sure you use the right dilutions. Also, thank you guys for over 10,000 subscribers. Appreciate you guys a lot. It's been a journey, learn a lot from you guys. You guys probably learned some things from me as well. In promotion of the 10K, I'm gonna put the course on sale for $10 for the first 10 people. After that, the next price is gonna jump to is $87, which is still a great price because it's normally priced at over $100. So it's normally ranges about like $200 for the course. So $87 is the lowest it ever gets besides the first 10 people who purchase it at $10. And then after that, it's gonna automatically jump up to the next price and you won't be able to use the $10 promotion anymore. But still, a lot of value. I pretty much go over everything I know about I've learned over pressure washing. So it gives you a solid foundation if you're looking to start the business. So administrative things, you get a free website, teach you how to wash roofs, houses, some property protection, marketing, a lot of things I go over. So be sure to check that out, guys. I'll also be releasing eGuide soon. Probably promote that for about $3, probably $3 or $4 in initial launch, which will basically be almost the course in ebook form. All my knowledge packed into there. I think that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.